Bud, watch your back.
Say, Tippy, wanna shag some balls? 4. Sorry!
Dear Diary, hi, it's me, Doug. You know, the school dance seemed like it happened a long time ago, but I remember it like it was only yesterday. It all began, well, this afternoon. Me and Porkchop were putting the finishing touches on my costume for the dance, and everything was going fine, when all of a sudden, it hit me.
Hey, Funny, where are you?
Hi, Roger.
What you doing? Trying on your costume for the big dance tonight? What are you, a pile of manure?
I'm a slug.
So you're really gonna go through with it, huh?
What do you mean?
Well, you're paired up to dance with Patty Mayonnaise, aren't you?
Yeah, I guess I'm the luckiest guy.
Lucky? Do you realize she's the best dancer in the whole school?
Yeah, so?
So, think about it, Einstein. How many dance contests you won lately?
None.
How many dances you ever been to?
None.
Have you ever danced in your life?
No.
Let's face it, Funny, you can't dance. Everyone's going to be laughing at you. I can hear it now.